Shannon Cowart here at Tameron Hyundai in our pre-owned sales department. You inquired about the 2012 Ford Edge. Well, let's give you a quick brief overview of the automobile. As you come through the back of the car, you will notice that this does have a 60-40 split, and there's ample room for 3 passengers. Now up on the steering wheel for your safety and convenience, you've got your radio controls, your cruise control. You've also got Bluetooth. This has CD player, auxiliary, USB, AM, FM. Beautiful automobile. And I want you to know one thing. Here at Tameron, and exclusive to Tameron, we have a lifetime powertrain warranty on all of our automobiles. My name is Shannon Cowart. I want to show you this automobile, let you test drive it. The number here at the dealership is 205-380-6250, or you can reach me on my personal cell at 205-907-4700. Here at Tameron, you're going to love the way you're treated. Kimberly, I look forward to meeting with you very soon. Thank you.